Sweet potatoes, peeled and cut up into 4 sections and ready to dip in your oil solution. Cut up sweet potatoes, put it in your mix, roll it around a little bit, then drop it in your pan. Okay, it is ready to go in the oven now at 475 degrees on the bottom shelf. Let it stay in there 35 minutes and take it out and it's ready to eat. Okay, here's the ingredients that I put in it. I put the extra virgin olive oil. I put non-fattening yogurt, and you can use olive oil or you use coconut oil. Coconut oil is awesome. Sometimes you might not want to use it all the time because you kind of get tired of that coconut taste, and that's when the olive oil will come in and take its place. And use the red pepper, and I use a Himalayan pink sea salt, organic cinnamon, and a little whisper of black seed oil. And if you don't have the organic cinnamon, you got to get the regular cinnamon. You might have that on hand, whichever one. And put it all together, and I'm telling you what, that is some delicious stuff. You're going to have to try it and just see how it works. And another thing, you can use your black seed oil in it, and it's a great way to use it. You never know you take it. I only put probably about a half a teaspoonful in the mix. The mix don't amount to more than probably about a half a cup or something like that, and I'll dip all the taters in it, and I still got just about all of it left. Now I just put it in a jar and save it for next time. There you go. You gotta check it out and see what it'll do for you and your taste buds. I put 2 scoops of plain yogurt on my plate with 8 potato wedges. You have to be really slick on yourself. True, because if you don't, you'll sit down and it's just like eating potato chips out of a bag. You can't hardly quit. So you just have to tell yourself to start with, you're only going to get 8, put them on your plate, put 2 scoops of yogurt, and get at it. When you get through with that, put the rest of it back in the refrigerator. You'll be glad you did. You have some after a while. In a plastic bag and ready for the refrigerator. Check this out. Don't that look good?